When you have to keep your baggage and loads protected, it's essential to know the Keko Retractable hardcover benefits. More utility. Turn the bed of your truck into a trunk. No effort. Manual and electric opening systems. Anti-vandalism and anti-crushing systems give you a safe closure, bringing more protection against any eventuality. There's more. The retractable hardcover reduces the water and dust entrance, offering more protection to your goods. High resistance. Aluminum structure with 100 kilograms of weight capacity. If you are looking for style to your truck, this cover is what you need. Slim design and an impeccable finish give a unique design to your truck. Allow sport bar and crossbar installation, no drilling required. Keko Automotive.